I went on vacation for a week. I was gone. I didn't work at all. I went to Disneyland with my family and I made $8,000. And again, 0 hours worked. And this just absolutely blew my mind because a year ago, I didn't even have a business. I was working for someone else, but I did have something. I did have one thing that was to my advantage, and you do need a second thing if you want to do this too. And I want to make this video not to brag. I know having dollar amounts in the title and the thumbnail is going to get more clicks, but ultimately I want to show you the two things that you need if you actually want to learn how to make money online and make a good amount of money online. I'm not just saying for myself, but a lot of the people I've helped, they have these two things and they make a ton of money. And you're going to notice when you see what these things are, you're going to realize this is how people actually make their money online. All these gurus, all these people who are selling you a dream, they have this. And so this is what I realized, and this is honestly what changed my life. The first thing you absolutely need. Okay, I'm sorry real quick. I have to interrupt because I'm doing a free training where I'm going to be showing you guys how to get views and grow your business on YouTube. So if you want to sign up for that, you can click the link in the description. This is a Zoom call where I'm actually going to be there. I'm going to answer your questions. It's not some automated thing, but we get to hang out. And so click the link in the description to sign up. I'd love to hang out with you. I'll see you over there. The first thing you absolutely need is a business. You need something to sell. And so I have a lot of content creator friends and they don't have a business. They have a following, but they don't have anything to sell. And so if you don't have something to sell, it makes sense when you say it, but you're like, yeah, you need something to sell if you want to make more money. AdSense only, from YouTube is not going to cut it. Affiliate links aren't really going to cut it for 95% of the people out there. So if you have your own product, something that you own 100% of, and here's the awesome thing, this can be a digital product. So it could be a course, it could be coaching, it could be a mixture, right? It could be a community, like school community, something like that. And as long as you have something that you own that you can sell, you're going to make just this alone is going to help you make way more money than if you don't have this. Now, it sounds very obvious, but not only do you just need that, the second thing you absolutely need, and that all these gurus online have, is you need a personal brand. So a lot of people, they have something to sell and they'll come and work with me inside of the Content Academy and they have the business. They just don't have the personal brand. So they have maybe a high ticket program that they're selling. Maybe they had some success with ads or Instagram or LinkedIn, but they want to make it work on YouTube. So they come and work with me. They want to build this. And every single person on YouTube right now, every entrepreneur that's on YouTube that has a business, right? You see these guys like Alex Hormozy. Why are they going so hard on YouTube? Why is Charlie Morgan, Iman Ghazi, all these guys, not only now they have multiple channels, they're going hard on YouTube. The list goes on, but they have both these things. They have a personal brand and they have a business. And when you have those two things, you can make tons of money. Now for me, I actually had the personal brand. So I was posting 2 times a week on YouTube for years. I think almost maybe 3 years. I can't remember. So it was up there for a channel called Think Media. And I was just posting a ton of YouTube content. And so over the years, even though it wasn't my channel, I built a personal brand. People knew who I was and they knew what I was good at. They got to see me and hang out with me every single week. And I got millions and millions of views and built up a personal brand. The thing is, I was working for someone else. I did not have a business, right? The first thing I talked about. And so what I did is when I lost my job, I had the personal brand. I just had to launch the business. And I was like, am I going to do courses, coaching? I didn't know what I was going to do. But when I did that, in my very first week, I went from $0 to $37,000 in 7 days when I launched. And the only reason I did that, it's not because of YouTube. It's not because of Instagram. I didn't even have that many subscribers on my YouTube channel. I did not have, maybe had 5,000, followers on Instagram. I had a personal brand. Even though my personal brand people weren't on my, this channel. I had a personal brand. So when people saw my face, they knew this guy's good at YouTube. This guy is good with cameras, editing, whatever it is, the videos that I made over the years. People knew me to some extent. And because I had that personal brand, it allowed me to do that. It allowed me to make the $8,000 in 7 days on vacay mode. And that's the other thing about YouTube. When you're gone and when you're not posting, you're kind of like still alive. You're on YouTube right now. If I pull up my YouTube channel, I probably have people watching me this very second, which is such a weird thought. But on most social media platforms, what happens is you get a spike in views and then it kind of tapers off. But on YouTube, I'll have videos that are years old continue to get views, or that are months old and they start to get views. And so if I open up right here, we can see that I, in the last 48 hours, have 8,095 views. And so just in this last hour, in the last 52 minutes, I've gotten 74 views on YouTube. So every single minute, someone is watching one of my videos on my YouTube channel, which is absolutely insane. And this is one of the most leveraged things you can do, is use YouTube. Because what happens is, even if you're not posting, let's say you posted a couple times here, and then as you go on, you kind of don't post, and maybe you post later, but you're not posting. Even if today's date is right here, these videos, maybe they go like this, but then they start to get views. Maybe some of them don't get views, and then they start to get, YouTube is a long-term game. And it's not just something that you have the spike in views and it flatlines. It usually kind of goes up slightly, especially if you have good content. And so YouTube is powerful not only because you're constantly getting discovered by new viewers, but also it is long-form content. And that truly, I think, is one of the accelerators for me to build a personal brand, is having long form content where people aren't, it's not just a YouTube short, an Instagram reel, a TikTok. It's 8 minutes long. It's 10 minutes long. I have 30-minute long YouTube videos. People are spending a lot of time with me. And so when they consume long form content, it just allows them to build trust. And when you build trust, and you're also, people are aware of who you are because YouTube's pushing out your videos every single minute, and you have these two things. And then on top of that, you have something you can sell, you end up making money. So if we just completely simplify this, all you need is exposure, right? You need to get views. And then you need to build trust. People need to know who you are. And then if you have something to sell, you have a business, this is how you can make a ton of money. And this is exactly what everyone on YouTube, all these business owners, these entrepreneurs, this is how they're making money. This is why they're investing into YouTube, is they're trying to build trust and they're trying to get more views, more exposure. If you want to learn exactly how to do that, make sure you sign up for that free training, the description. You can check that out, or the pinned comment. But if you want to learn my entire system in depth on how you can get way more views, you can build trust, and how you can convert those people into paying clients, click on the screen, check out this video. I break it all down. I'll see you guys in the next one.